Hey guys, I'm really excited to show you some updates that have been made to Microgreens Copilot. This software is just going to keep getting better and better and better. And I'm just going to show you now some of the new features that you guys have available right now that you can use in Copilot. So the first one is on the calendar tab. You'll see that everything is now color coordinated, which just makes it a little bit easier to kind of visualize what you need to do that day. So this just makes it a lot easier to see if it's gonna be a planting, a watering, a soaking of seed, a harvest, turning on the lights, washing, disinfecting. It just makes it really clear for those visual learners like myself. Next up, we have a hide notes feature on the daily task sheet. So for those that have already memorized the notes and just want to keep it super clean and simple, you can just hide the notes there. And this is great for mobile because it'll just keep it super clean. And now to the bigger changes. First up is on the orders tab, you can now pause and skip orders for different customers. So let's say you get a customer and they're like, hey, we're going on vacation. You can pause the order or, from a period of time. So let's say you want to go to the future, you want to pause that order. Or the other option is you can skip. So someone's like, hey, I'm going to be gone the next 2 weeks. You can just, select those, click save, and it will skip those orders. So now on the daily task sheet, it will show you the right number of trays to plant for all your crops based on the changes to the orders that were made, whether it's paused or skipped, and you can always resume or clear the skips if things change. And then the last up is for the delivery route. Some people wanted the ability to delete some of the deliveries and also reorder them. So if someone's not available during a certain time, you can just reorder, or just delete, and then you can just open that in Google Maps, and then it just saves you some time from editing it in Google Maps itself. So that's pretty much it. Those are the updates for now, but I'm always updating the software, so definitely let me know if you guys have any specific requests for software updates for Copilot or IQ, and I'd love to implement as many of them as possible to get you guys the best software that will ever exist for Microgreens, because this is going to be continuously updated over time, and I can't wait for you guys to see these new updates and test them out.